Hello guys, welcome to Catolabs. Today I want to show you how to extract text from a PDF file. So first of all, we need to first install the libraries, the packages that we need to do that task. So we want to extract text from a PDF file and then save it to a Word document. So in order to do that, you need to install, number one, I'm not going to install because I already have these packages. So you have to install, you have to say pip install py pdf 2. That's the first package that we need. Then we also need to install then we also need to say pip install python doc python doc x. So I already have this. If you check, I already have this have already been installed on my computer. So if you pip install, so I'll try with it first. So it's already satisfied, which means I've already installed it. Then let's see python docs. So it's already satisfied also, but if you don't have them, you need to first install these two packages. Then when you have installed this package, what you need to do is to import these packages. So first we're going to import py pdf 2. Let's just say as pd and then we need to also import we also need to say from docx import from docx import document. So let's run that. So they're already imported. So what we're going to start with is we're going to start with extracting text from a PDF. So in order to do that, you need to first link. Maybe let me create a link to the PDF that I want to. Let me create a link to the folder equals to. Let me go to a folder where I want to save my. Let me save here. So I'll say GIS. I have a document called GIS PDF. So that is our link. Then second, we need to open this PDF. So we say PDF equals to open, then we cast our link and then say RB. So that is our link, and we've opened our PDF. Now we need to read this PDF, so we say reader. We need to create a reader. So this is going to be pd dot PDF file, capital letter, reader, then we cast the PDF that we have opened. And after we did that, we need to enter the for page number PDF. So let's say page number. Gonna create an input, so we say page number equals to integer, so it has to be a number, it has to be an integer, and then input, and then let's enter, say enter page number. Okay, so we have now our page number input. Then we need to read the page, so to get the page, so we say page equals to reader equals to reader dot get the page, get page, okay, get page, and then cast the page number, Now we need to say take the text now. First, before we take this text into a variable, let's print it and see what's gonna come out before we put it into a file. So we say print and page dot extract text. So let's try and see what's gonna come out. Okay, let's say page 30. So there is the text on page 30, on the page that is 30th. So this is an index, so start with 0. The first page will be 0, the second page will be 1. So if we want to print, let's try and print page 1. Let's try and print page 0 and see what's there. So it's information about the book. So it's Spring up briefs in GIS, jumper till, spatial techniques, soil erosion estimate, remote sensing. So we can page number 2. So it's clear that we can read this text and extract it from a PDF. Now let's try and save it into a document. So how do we do that? So instead of printing here, we run it as a variable. Let's say text equals to page, and then we say, remember the document, let's create a document. And equals to, we're gonna create an empty document. Then let's add a paragraph to this document. Dot add underscore paragraph, and then the text that we read, this text that we read here, then we cast it the text. So let's see whether it works. Let's say 21. Okay, so now let's try and save this document. So this is already in the document. Let's try and save this document. So in order to save this document, you need to say document dot save, and then you say I'm going to use this. Let me use this link. But here I'm gonna say page page 21. Let's see whether it's gonna work. So we say page 21. So it is saved. Let's go and look for this document. So if you go to so where did I save it? So this is documents cartoon of Python source. GIS page 21. So it's saved as a PDF. So let's try and save it as a doc file. So let's try and save it as Word. So you change the format to docx. So it's page 21. So let's go there. GIS page 21. Let's see what's inside there. So you can now read and copy. Both on-site and off-site, this chapter briefly describes research work carried out in India and abroad related to objectives for the study. So guys, that's how we this is how we opened the PDF document, extracted text from a page, and then took that text and saved it into a Word document. So if you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel. See you next time, guys. See you. Paka. That's what time.